Safety Manager is a system that can manage your task on the construction sites with all your safety report. Here on our main interface, we are showing all the tasks that belongs to that project. You can easily browse through the table view and check each of the tasks, which task code it belongs to, the task name, the organization, the location, start date, end date, duration, task progress, task type, status, quantity, man hours, and root causes. By clicking on Query, you can easily show where different contractors' tasks are. Clicking on the Query task, it will show only the task that belongs to organization, Cormac, machine, and maintenance. If you want to show a specific location, you can also click on L1 East and simply click on Query Task. It will show you all the tasks that belongs to L1 East. If you want to show the tasks that belongs to one location and also filtering it by the location and the organization, you can click on Query and it will only show you that location. If you want to add a task, here is the tab that you can use to add the task. There are organization you can pick, location you can pick, and then it's the start date. We have a drop down that you can easily date picker to pick the date that you want to. The task name here, I want to name it as task 123. Task code would be 0, 0, 0. Task progress is 0.5. Task type is going to be a task. Man hours is 8. Unit is 1. Quantity is 100. Root causes, we don't have it. Task status will be on schedule. So if you have everything entered, then you can click on Add Task and it will automatically add to the task. Now we are only showing the organization, so here I want to show all, then query the task. If we scroll all the way down, you can see that the task that we added is just added here. If we want to modify the task, we can use the task code to modify the task. So we just need to enter the task code, rename the task name to 12345, update task. Then let's see if we can find it by just querying it through the organization. So you see that task 12345 that we just added is here. Now I want to show you some additional ability that we have. The first one is if we want to query all the tasks that has a progress and safety score, and we have a point cloud visualization with the model that can show you that the progress, and under safety to highlight that which are the location that you need to pay more attention. So let's say if I put down, I want to see all the tasks that has progress under 0.5 and the score, safety score under 30. Then when I click on query task, we directly go into the point cloud view. So you can directly see that these are the location that you need to pay attention to. So by clicking on the task tab, you can know that which tasks are the tasks that are belongs to this location and this progress and this safety score. So this is one of the advanced functions that we have. So you can see it by highlighting the location on the model and a point cloud visualize viewer. And the other one is when we want to add a safety report. So we can choose a safety report that is in an XML format that you already have. which I already have it here. So here I'm going to show you by uploading test to XML. Under this, we have URL belongs to this safety report, and these are connected to the images. These images will be uploaded to our database, and also we have a deep learning model that can directly detect what are the objects that we find in these images. So let's say I uploaded this XML. It will directly show up that we are connecting to our server, we are uploading the images, and it is doing object detection. So we can see that there are several observations of the safety report that we found, and it is doing the observation here. So this part is done. So let's go to the safety report tab that we have all our safety report. These are some of them that we already have. The last one will be the one that we just updated. So when we click on the images, it will show that this image that we have detected a scissor lift and a worker. And we can also browse through the images that we uploaded before and safety reports. So here we can see that there's a worker here and there's a safety net. So if you click on another image, there's another one that we detected, and then we can see that here are edge protection that we detected and all kinds of different pictures that we detected workers here. So our deep learning network, it's trained by our own data. We can change our confidence level as we want, and it can give you different results here. So these are all based on real time. In real time, we uploaded the images, and in real time, we will detect where all the objects are and then return back it to the user. Then I'm going to show you the advanced query that we have. The first one is we want to show that which organization has the lowest score, so we can check these organizations and then let them know you have a low safety score, so you need to pay attention on it. So we query through all the locations and the organization and our safety report and get all the safety report, the safety score out of it, and then average them based on the companies. So here we can see that different organizations have different score here. The second query is the one that I showed you. By the progress and safety score, we can query the task and then highlight, based on this query, highlight it on the point cloud. So these are basically all the functions that we have on our system. Hope you like it.